What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to blur faces inside of Premiere Pro and make it look like this. So let's get started. So you have your original clip here in your timeline. It's just these four people, stock footage that I downloaded from somewhere. What the first thing you need to do is to click your footage, hold Command or Alt on your keyboard and drag this up. It copies the footage on top. Then we're going to go to our effects panel, so Window and Effects. We're going to find the crop tool. Drag crop on top of your footage right here. And then what we can do is go to Window and then Effect Controls and then click the little circle right here. Puts a circle on the screen. Let's grab the anchor points and make it as like, you know, kind of like the area of her face. Really quick and dirty. Don't be too worried about it. Move it here. From here, if we start at the first little frame here and click this next button right here, track selected mask forward, it'll track the mask and done. So the mask has been tracked. As you can see, if we play it back, you can't see it, but if I hover, you can see the mask is following over it. From there, what we want to do is scroll down on crop and then do left, top, doesn't matter. Just let's make sure this is fully cropped. And if we turn off the eye clicker right here, you can see that she's been blanked out. What we want to do is click inverted, which only shows her face. From here, you can type in mosaic, drag it onto your footage, and it does a mini blur, but we scroll down on our effect controls, mosaic. Let's do the horizontal blocks a little higher, vertical blocks a little higher, whatever you prefer. And now we have a blurred out face. Or what you can do is go to Gaussian blur, drag it onto your footage. Let's turn off mosaic, turn on Gaussian, and blur that up. And it blurs it like that. From here, you can also, what I would go into is go into the mask and do the feather the edges a little bit so it looks nice. Gaussian blur. Let's blur the crap out of her face. Personally, I like mosaic. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan the QR code on the screen. Peace.